In today's digital age, social media has become a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their audience and drive sales. To harness its potential, you need to create content that not only engages, but also persuades. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to create social media content that sells, making your brand stand out in the crowded online landscape. Understanding your audience goes beyond basic demographics. You should strive to comprehend their psychographics, behaviors, and motivations. Conduct surveys, analyze customer data, and engage with your audience directly to uncover their pain points, aspirations, and preferences. Develop detailed buyer personas that include information like age, gender, location, income, hobbies, challenges, and aspirations. This in-depth knowledge will inform your content strategy, helping you create content that resonates on a personal level. Start by defining SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals for your social media content. Having clear goals ensures that your content efforts are purpose-driven and measurable, allowing you to track progress and make adjustments as needed. Every social media platform has a unique user base and content format. Your choice of platforms should align with your audience's preferences. For instance, Instagram is ideal for visually appealing content, while LinkedIn caters to a more professional audience. Research where your target audience spends their time and tailor your content accordingly. A content calendar is your roadmap for consistent content creation. It should outline what type of content you'll post, when, and on which platforms. Consider integrating key dates, holidays, and industry events into your calendar to create timely and relevant content. This planning helps maintain consistency and ensures that your content aligns with your overall marketing strategy and promotional efforts. Visual content often grabs the most attention on social media. Invest in high-quality images and videos that reflect your brand's style and identity. Ensure that your visuals are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also align with your brand's messaging and evoke the desired emotions in your audience. Your captions and copy should complement your visuals effectively. Develop a distinctive brand voice that resonates with your audience and is consistent across all your content. Use storytelling techniques to create a narrative that draws your audience in and relates to their own experiences and aspirations. Emphasize the benefits and value your products or services provide, addressing your audience's pain points. Don't just list features. Emphasize the tangible benefits of your products or services. Explain how they can solve problems, simplify tasks, or enhance your customers' lives. Use before and after scenarios, customer testimonials, or success stories to illustrate the transformation your offerings can bring about. Encourage your customers to become brand advocates. Ask them to share their experiences, photos, and reviews of your products or services. Repost UGC to build trust and authenticity, showcasing real people who genuinely enjoy and endorse your offerings. Position your brand as a valuable resource by sharing educational content related to your industry or niche. Create how-to guides, tutorials, informative videos, and blog posts that address common questions or challenges your audience faces. This establishes your authority and fosters trust with your followers. Display social proof elements prominently. This includes customer reviews, ratings, and case studies. Incorporate trust badges or certifications that reinforce your credibility. Highlight endorsements or partnerships with influencers, industry experts, or notable organizations to boost your brand's reputation. Your content should guide your audience toward taking specific actions. Use clear and compelling CTAs that tell your audience what to do next. Whether it's encouraging them to shop now, sign up for our newsletter, or learn more about our products, make sure the CTA stands out visually and aligns with your goals. Research and use relevant hashtags to increase the discoverability of your content. Utilize a mix of trending and niche-specific hashtags to broaden your reach and engage with a wider audience. Be strategic in your hashtag selection to ensure your content appears in relevant searches. Regularly assess the performance of your social media content. Use platform-specific analytics tools or third-party software to track metrics such as engagement rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Analyze which content types, posting times, and messaging strategies yield the best results. Use these insights to refine your content strategy continuously. Experiment with different content variations to identify what resonates best with your audience. Conduct A B tests on elements like headlines, visuals, CTAs, and posting times. Compare the performance of these variations to refine your content strategy and maximize its effectiveness. Collaboration can extend your reach. Partner with influencers, other brands, or organizations in your industry to co create content or run joint campaigns. Collaborations can introduce your brand to new audiences and enhance your credibility through association with trusted figures. Consider allocating a portion of your marketing budget to paid advertising on social media platforms. Paid ads allow you to target specific demographics and interests, ensuring your content reaches a relevant audience. Utilize features like custom audiences and retargeting to maximize the effectiveness of your ad campaigns. Creating social media content that sells is a dynamic process that requires ongoing optimization and adaptation. By implementing these strategies and continuously refining your approach, you can create content that not only engages your audience, but also drives sales and achieves your business objectives.